What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. This dealer didn't like the fact that this customer could get his own financing. I ain't gonna do too much more talking. Let's get right to it. Let's go.
$80,000 car, GLE Coupe 2026, 5 years at 4.9, he's probably 1,600. That's the best way to go. I'm not a financial advisor, but just from my experience with people that understand financing, is if they can make more on their money than 4.9, you don't give me the money.
There's no reason for me to take a loan from Mercedes, knowing but someone else I can get a lower interest because I don't have any advantages taking loan from Mercedes.
I'll tell you one main advantage. You go like this, and you have a loan. You want to get a loan for 4.25 from a third-party bank, credit union, you got to give them this. They got to look at your application. They got to get you pre-approved. They want this. They want last month's bank statements. They want the letter from us. Then they're going to send draft check until it clears. Yes, if it's 2.9 and I'm at 4.9, of course, we go through the headache. But of course,
It's not a headache. It only takes a few seconds to see if you qualify with your credit union. That's just the sales tactics that dealerships use, guys. Don't let them force you into making a bad decision.
a point, half a point, by no means.
That I will make decision, I can calculate it.
I don't know if you're going to get lower than 4.9 for 5 years.
What is the final number that I can get it for?
Retail's 85. My cost is 80,000.
But manager can break this price or not?
Manager could do anything he wants. Sell me a story to sell him.
You ask me simple question, am I taking the car or not, right?
Let me have a conversation with him. I'm willing to go below cost to get your excitement. Be right.
Bring me good number with an later.
Bravo. I want a big hug. 79,995.
Okay, I would like to use the car.
Okay. Let's drive first. I want to make sure you even like it. Or make you like it
Wait a
even more.
minute. He came down $5, guys. $5. That's crazy. And it's amazing how dealerships try to force you to use their financing. The only time it makes sense if it's lower than what your credit union offer you. Of course, they don't want him to go to a different bank. They want to make the money off the money. That's just how it works.
7 and 2 weeks, and then you start your payments for $315 bi-weekly.
What? That's
Hey,
crazy.
Mon. All right, bro. So with the stack, right?
600.
I'm gonna show you everything that you can do.
$2,000 car. That's crazy.
With the stack, I can get you in the Expedition, the Mazda. I could do the Avalon.
Avalon's a good car, but
I may be able to do this Mazda.
ain't nothing crazy for it.
You don't drive no stick shift. You do? You do stick shift? I could do this black Civic up front. That's a 2012 Civic.
That's
I
a
could
good
do this
car.
Mazda, another stick shift.
2012 Civic is a good car. No CVT.
Also could do this Toyota Camry.
Two
Let
good
me
cars.
see what else.
At least he pointing out good cars, though, guys. May
You
overcharge.
can't give me no more, a few more hundred for this? 15. 1,500. Hey, Mom.
1,500.
So you gonna be able to show me check stubs or bank statements and all that stuff? Oh, that ain't no problem, then, huh? All right, if that's the case, we can approve you for that truck right there. You said you give me the 13 today? Yeah. So it'll be 13 today, 7 and 2 weeks, and then you start your payments for $315 bi-weekly.
Wow. 1,300 to 700.
If you do full coverage, it'll be but you gotta keep the full coverage on there though.
Wow.
Okay. Yeah, you do the full coverage, it'll be $250 bi-weekly. I gotta check the miles, I don't know.
How many miles is on that joint?
So you sure all that stuff is good though, right? You gonna be able to show me all that? All right, just making sure. Let me see your license. Let me have you spin it just to make sure you like it. And if you do, we'll go ahead and get you going.
See, my only issue is those cars have a whole lot of miles on them. And the money these people are putting down on these cars is probably what my man paying cash for them cars. You know, he's probably paying that at the auction to buy the cars. That's my only issue. But like I say, it's good that people with challenge credit has somewhere to go. But this right here is a little tough, man. But again, you don't know people's situations. And my man is doing the best he can to, operate a business, help people out and, and make a little money. I mean, I get it. I mean, something like this could be motivation to get your stuff together so you don't have to buy cars like this. You know what I'm saying? And those type of deals. And it's not necessarily the cars, it's those type of deals. All that money down and stuff you paying, you could you can use that money to fix your credit and go to a regular dealership. But it's no knock to him. Don't get me wrong. I'm not gonna knock anybody's business. He found out a way to make some money. Hey, do your thing.
I bet. Say less. Here you go, sir. I got King gonna ride with you. You gonna take you on the expressway? Okay. Let me know what you think when you come back. You know how to drive, right? Just checking.
He always asks that, Mike. That's funny.
6. Damn, that's extreme.
I like that though.
You know, I was worried about older lady.
Yeah.
My great aunt raised me, so after church, she let me drive in the driveway.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I ain't started driving till I was about 11.
Oh, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Do what it do. Tell me something good now.
Oh,
The traction, you gotta just deal with that.
Well, the traction part of the alignment.
And what I'm saying is, we may get the alignment and it still may be on there. That's.
So you got a light on in that joint.
I just gotta tell you, I'm doing you a solid. I ain't supposed to, you know. Nah, you know, but you know, you seem good. You seem with good people, so I wanna make sure you're good.
Yeah, it's just the fact that those cars have a lot of miles on them, and the money these people are putting down. Man, that's probably what he's paying for those cars, and it's just crazy. He got to put what do you say, 1,300, 1,500 down. Then he got to come up with another 700 next week. Then he's paying like 3 something every 2 weeks. Like that's just crazy for a car that probably got over 100,000 miles on it and probably only worth about $6,000. That's crazy.
Customer approved, perfect credit. Let's see what he has to
Got him
say.
approved.
That's David.
Hey, David, this is Benjamin, finance director at KLR Motors. How you doing?
Thank you, sir. How are you?
I'm doing good. Hey, I wanted to let you know, with your $3,000 down on that 2019 Range Rover Velar, I'll
man.
get you approved, man. You got perfect credit.
Right.
I only shot it to Capital One, got you a prime rate. Wanted to see when you'd like to come down and finalize the deal.
Come on, man. First of all, he's buying a 2019 Range Rover. That's a red flag. He has good credit, but he's going with Capital One. Now, don't get me wrong. Sometimes Capital One can give you a good rate if you have excellent credit. I understand. He probably has a situation. This dealer probably has a situation with Capital One. He probably get a kickback for getting deals with them. But if you have excellent credit, go to your bank. Go to a credit union. Why finance with these guys? Because you know they're going to up the rate. The buy rate gonna probably be something like 4%, but he's gonna charge this guy 5%. That's how dealers make their money. So you never go through the dealership when you have good credit. That's crazy.
What's my rate on it, man?
So on this one with your $3,000 down, you're looking at about a
You know what I'm saying?
8.2%.
8%?
No, man. I'm not gonna do. Can we do?
Yeah, that's crazy.
4%?
Have you seen the rates today? Are you familiar with it?
I'm looking for 4%.
So if
Yeah.
I can get this done at 4%, you're down to roll right now.
I'm gonna come sign for that Velar right now, my friend.
Hold on. He gonna say if I can get you down to 4%. Why would you even offer him 8%? I mean, I know why, because he want to make money. But why? I mean, if you're trying to look out for your customers, try to get them the best rate you can get before you even call them. See what I'm saying? That's the stuff I don't understand. That's why if I ever ran a dealership, I'm gonna try to get the best for my customer. Yes, you need to make money. I understand that. But this stuff right here just really pisses me off, man.
Let me see. Let me hop into Capital One room here, right here, while I
Man.
got you on the phone.
So you can go from
I like
8
how
to
you're doing it right
4%.
on the phone. If you can do 4%, I know you can do something, but if you can do 4%, I'm gonna come sign.
I bet you
today.
will come sign.
And you do have $3,000 down, correct?
Yes, sir.
All
I
right, I
would
got it
keep
done
that.
at 4.95. If you can do 4.95 with $3,000 down, I can get you done at 72 months.
That's crazy, bro.
That's perfect to me. I'll come sign. Just send me the address, please.
Okay, perfect. I'll send it to you, and I'm here till 6, so we'll see you soon.
That's crazy.
See you soon.
Uh-huh.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Ain't no way,
That's what I'm
man.
looking
Ain't no way. I'm buying those 19 Range Rover and they wanted 8%. He could have went to a Range Rover dealership and probably bought a newer one with excellent credit and got a better vehicle. They ain't talking about insurance. He gonna have to get some kind of maintenance package. Deals like that, man, end up being disasters, man. They just want to get that Range Rover off their lot. Trust me.
Repoed, a sticky situation, but she
Okay.
is in the market looking for something. I don't know how credit
Here we
is.
go.
What can we do?
Did you have an application in?
I do.
Let's see what we're working with. Any car?
Anything.
How much down?
500.
Did you do any more?
Maybe 1,000, depending on the vehicle.
Just looking at the credit file, we're dealing with a 496 credit score with an open
man.
auto loan. You said it's being repoed?
It is.
Let me see what I can do. Her payment on her previous car was $867. Do you know what car it was?
I don't. All I know is that the payment was too high. She couldn't afford it. So we need to find something a little bit cheaper payment wise.
I might have a way to go on a new Outlander Sport. You think she'd be happy with that?
Of course.
I'll need $1,500 down. It's going to be for 48 months, a brand new Outlander Sport, and her payment is going to be right under $800.
Perfect. I'll give her a call.
Oh man, that's crazy. Now, don't get me wrong. Some of these staged and they're reenactments of real deals. I know a lot of people are, that's fake. That's just, yeah, some of them are reenactments, guys. Come on, let's be real. But they are actually deals that people come in and try to make. She already gonna have a car repo and she was paying $800 and something a month. So now this car is gonna be $800 a month. And then they're gonna say, you think she's gonna be happy with that? Of course, she don't care. She's getting another car. This craziness, man. She just, that's another repo waiting to happen.
I'm listening.
Now, phone down.
I'm listening.
No, I'm not being caught.
I'm listening.
Nobody. This here, super fix.
No, that ain't what I asked you. You said nobody touched it. I'm
Nobody
listening.
touched it. Like,
Nobody touched it like what?
explain to me what you mean by touching it, like damaging it?
What was wrong with my motor when it came in here? What was wrong with my motor when I brought it here? I drove it.
Ma'am.
What's wrong with my motor?
Calm down.
Is that a motor?
Ma'am.
Is that a motor, sir? Is that a motor, sir?
Can I explain?
Are they not working on my car, sir?
Can I explain?
Is this not working on my car,
Can I
sir?
explain?
I'm listening.
Can I explain?
I'm listening.
All right, guys. From what I understand is she took her car in to have something done to it. Then she went back to check on it, and she found them taking parts off her motor, putting it on other people's cars. This is a Kia dealership. This is crazy. Yeah, I wasn't gonna put this in this video, but I was like, I gotta share this with my people. This is the stuff you have to deal with when you're dealing with these type of brands, man. Like, you would never hear about something like this happening at a Lexus dealership. You know what I'm saying? Now, don't get me wrong. This can happen anywhere because it's based on the individual. It's not necessarily the brand. It's the people working there. Do you understand what I'm saying? But the likelihood of something like this happening at a high-end dealership is slim to none.
Only thing we did.
Took my motor out.
No. Only thing we did was
Took my motor loose.
no.
Calm down. Calm down. Just calm down.
I'm listening.
Sir.
Come on, talk.
Only thing we did was borrow 2 injectors, and we
Borrow.
two injectors.
For my car for parts.
We just bought it.
It's my mother car for parts.
Calm down.
Did I send my car here for you to borrow parts?
We
Did
replaced
I
them.
send my car here for you to borrow parts? Answer my question,
We
sir.
replacing them.
I didn't ask you, are you replacing them, sir? I asked you, did I send my car here for you to borrow parts? I'm asking, sir. Did I send my car here for you to borrow parts?
No, you didn't, man. But we
Thank you. Is that your job, sir?
we
Was
replaced.
that your job?
We replaced
sir?
them for free.
Was that your job, sir? To borrow parts off my mother car, sir?
Back up. Back up.
The part that's so funny to me, bro, is she keeps saying "sir." She gonna say "sir" and then cuss him out. Like, that's crazy, man. Can you imagine taking your car in for service and somebody just breaking that joint down like it's a little raggedy piece of crap car? That's unbelievable. That's completely unacceptable, man. It's crazy nowadays, the things you got to deal with and things that happen. You know, when you're expecting people to, take care of your items and do things for you and have great customer service and care about what they do as a profession. It's always somebody scamming, scheming, taking shortcuts. I mean, it never ends. So just be aware, guys. Just make sure everybody's on their P's and Q's. And that's why I make these videos. That's the whole point. Just to make people more aware of what's going on out here in this world, man, because it's vicious out here right now, guys. And that's in every aspect of life. So just make sure you're paying attention. Take care of your people, man. Look out for each other. And if you're new to my channel, you like videos like this, man, hit the like button, subscribe. I appreciate y'all watching. For some reason, I'm trying to get YouTube to keep pushing my videos. They slow it down. So I need you guys to hit that like button. Hit the like button for me. That's how you show YouTube that you like videos like this. I appreciate y'all watching. I see y'all on the next one. Peace.